Farmer Johnson had troubles all his own. He had a little cat that would not leave his home. He tried and he tried to chase the cat away. He gave it to a man going far, far away. But the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. They thought he was a goner, but the cat came back. He just wouldn't stay away, away, away. Do-do-do-do, meow, moo-ah, do-do-do-do, meow, moo-ah, do-do-do-do. He gave it to a man going up in a balloon. He told him to give it to the man upon the moon. The balloon came down about 90 miles away. What happened to the man I really couldn't say. But the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. They thought he was a goner, but the cat came back. He just wouldn't stay away, 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 away. Do-do-do-do, meow, moo-ah, do-do-do-do, meow, moo-ah. Johnson's neighbor swore that he'd chase him out of sight. He donned his fastest shoes and he ran with all his might. The cat was quick, he ran away. Johnson's neighbor fell. People come from miles away because they heard him yell. But the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. They thought he was a goner, but the cat came back. He just wouldn't stay away. Do-do-do, meow, moo-ah, do-do-do-do, meow, moo-ah. A great tornado came just the other day. The wind began to blow and the trees began to sway. Lightning struck, thunder crashed, darkness filled the day. The people were so frightened that they knelt right down to pray. But the cat came back the very next day. The cat came back. They thought he was a goner, but the cat came back.